everyone, it's Creepy E. Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's just having a fantastic day and that your day is going great and that you are in the best of health. Today we're coming with another inspirational message, part 3 of my deception series. And I'm just so I'm so stuck on this type of series now because I'm tired of seeing people, innocent, hardworking people, being taken to the cleaners. Now, a liar and a deceiver is just like a thief. Because one thing about a thief, he's not going to call you or text you or email you and let you know that he's coming by to get your flat screen TV, 55 inch. He ain't letting you know that. He gonna wait and park in front of your house or whatever. Wait till the lights go out if you don't have an alarm set and try to come in there and get your stuff. So that's how deception works. It's deceitful. That's why I'm careful whoever I let come around me, in my midst, or even in my house. Because you never know who you're entertaining. So, in this part 3, we're still dealing with deception. In deception, we had a history of false leaders. When a person is being deceived, you've been compromised. It's that feel-good prosperity message that you hear when you go to these big, giant, stadium-filled churches. Bigger stadiums. Also, a lot of churches now, they're into the entertainment business. They can care less about your soul, you get into heaven. They just want to entertain you so you can feel good and get you hyped up so you can come back next Sunday and give them that money. Because long as the pews is full, the money is flowing. Collecting lots of money. Certain lifestyle. Certain people have certain pews because they give a certain amount of money, don't sit in a seat or don't park in their parking spaces. Deceptive practices. And God has never designed it to be this way, especially when it comes to the church. We have deceptive pastors. You see it in the news all the time. Trafficking kids, pastors on drugs, pastors in hotel rooms with women that's not their wives, making babies all over the place, crooked deacons, stealing money, board members that's justifying certain things, deceptive practices, leaders who are filthy rich because they're talking you through a prayer cloth or they're talking you through something, prophesying and speaking in tongues, using the gifts of the ministry all out of focus and all out of order to get money out of your pocket. So you got Kenneth Copeland, you got Joel Osteen, feel good prosperity messages, and a list of others. I said to say this: we're living in a season that you must be watchful. You must have a discernment. You must watch out for the false prophets that are on YouTube and how to identify these crooked people. Because the first sign is it's all about the money, baby. It's all about the money. Now, in the book of Deuteronomy, the 18th chapter, in the 20th to the 22nd verse, it says, so if someone gives a prophecy and it does not come to pass, that makes them really actually a false prophet. And a true prophet is going to tell you the truth. And many people could proclaim to be prophets. They got gifts. They come with signs and wonders. And at the end of the day, you'll come out to find out that that person has actually taken you to the cleaners for every dime you have. And what gets me, people are continuing to give them their last. When you can take that money and you can give it to the homeless. Or you can take that money and you can give it to a non-profit organization that you can see physically with your eyes that's actually being a blessing to somebody that's about to be ready to put out of their houses. It's time to stop, reflect, and reset our minds where your money going to. So, beware false prophets, because they'll come to you in sheep's clothing, but inside they're raving wolves. And you know a wolf here will tear a sheep up alive. That's the biggest thing a shepherd have to worry about, is the sheep. Because the wolf is waiting for the sheep to wander off so that the wolf can devour the sheep. Only the strong in this world shall survive. Keep that in mind. So, in the meantime, between the time, always remember that life is to be enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscription, the notification, thumbs up, and leave your comments so that we can hear your opinion of this video. So, until the next video, be wise as a serpent, but harmless as a dove.